Meaning of Indonesian.
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 Indonesian. Indonesian refers to people, culture, or language originating from Indonesia, a Southeast Asian country consisting of thousands of islands. Indonesia is the world's largest island country and fourth most populous nation with a vibrant and diverse culture shaped by various ethnic groups, religions, and historical influences. The official language is Indonesian, which is a standardized form of Malay. Indonesia has a rich history and is known for its scenic beauty, unique cuisine, traditional art forms such as batik, music, and dance. The country's economy relies heavily on natural resources, including oil, gas, coal, timber, and agriculture.